Welcome, problem solving fans, to another problem of the day, and this one is all about units of time: minutes, seconds, and hours. And we've got two sums to work out. So we've got 23 seconds plus 1/12 of a minute. Now, the first thing to notice here is that we're mixing units. We've got one question with both seconds and minutes in there. So we need to figure out what 1/12 of a minute is. Well, in seconds, a minute is 60 seconds. So we need a 12th of 60. And to find a 12th of 60, we need to do 60 divided by 12. Well, 60 divided by 12, for those people who know their 12 times table, is 5 seconds. So 1/12 of a minute is an extra 5 seconds. So what we're actually doing is doing 23 seconds plus an extra 5 seconds. Well, 23 plus an extra 5 is 28 seconds. So the answer to the first one is 28 seconds. Now, on the second one, we're mixing hours and minutes. So what we really need to do, we need to figure out how many hours this is altogether. So what we really need to do is change the 150 minutes into hours. Well, in 1 hour, there is 60 minutes. So in 2 hours, there would be another 60 minutes. And 60 plus 60 is 120. So we've got 120 minutes so far. We're trying to get to 150. So that would be an extra 30 minutes on the end from 120 to 150. So we've got 60 plus 60 plus 30. So we've basically got 7 hours plus an extra 1 hour plus an extra 1 hour. And this 30 minutes is an extra half an hour, because 30 minutes is an extra half an hour. So what we're dealing with is 7 plus 1 plus 1 plus a half. Well, 7 plus 1 plus 1 is 9, and 9 plus a half is 9.5. So the final answer is 9.5 hours. Or, of course, you could write it as a decimal, 9.5 hours.